So hey guys, welcome to Clear and Kiss Coding, and in this video we would be discussing the solution of Codeforces Educational round 91 which was rated for Div 2 but unfortunately it became unrated. So this is the third problem, create the teams. So here is the problem statement. You can read the problem, but if I explain the problem in simple terms without missing any important point, then the problem is something like this. So we would be given n programmers, and what we have to do is we have to form some non-empty teams out of it. So we are given some list of programmer, and we are given the skill of each of programmer. That means we are given the list of skills of programmer, and we have to assemble the maximum number of teams from them. But there is a restriction, and it is that the number of programmers in a team multiplied by the minimum skill among all programmer should be at least x. That means the minimum the person with minimum skill multiplied by the number of person in that team should be at least x. So this is the condition which we have to always satisfy, and each programmer should belong to only one team, and we can also leave some programmer if we are unable to accommodate them. So let's get to the explanation quickly. So this would be easily understood with this example. So here x is 10, n is 5, and this is the skill level. So first what we are going to do is we are going to sort them according to their skills. So 5, 7, 9 and 11. And now the main aim which we should keep in mind is that we have to maximize the number of teams. So this is the main aim. And now how can we maximize the number of teams? So basically if we see that the minimum in a team multiplied by the size should be greater than or equal to x. So if the minimum itself is greater than x, then what we will do is we will just take that element, then the size would become 1, and minimum let me just make this clear, and minimum into 1 is greater than equal to x, so minimum is greater than equal to x. So what I want to say is that if there is some element who have the value which is greater than equal to x, then we can independently form teams. So in this example, since x is 10, we can independently form a team of 11. So for this team the minimum would be 11 and the team size would be 1, which is 11, which is greater than and equal to 10. So this is a valid team. So this was the first thing which we need to do to maximize the number of teams. That means put individual elements which are greater than x into separate teams. Now from the remaining, we have to do something such that we have to select some subset such that this condition gets valid, and also we have to maximize the number of selected teams. So basically, when will this thing get accepted, get valid for this part? So if we move from this side, that means from bigger to smaller, we are maximizing this minimum. That means, so if we move from this, forming some teams from here, then the minimum would come somewhere here. But if we move from this side, then the minimum would be automatically greater than the one which would had been if we will be moving from the other side. So by moving from this side, we are maximizing this is the first observation. And now we have to form a team until this minimum into the size is greater than equal to x. So we will be moving and checking that the minimum into the size of team. Suppose for this, if we see, when we will be coming at this point, the minimum would be 7 and the size would be 2, this would be 14, and this is greater than equal to 10. So this is a valid team. So we will be forming this team and start our journey again from here, forming in order to form new teams. So this is the method which we would be following. So let's get to the code for better clarity. So here we are just taking the input and sorting the input array as we had discussed in the explanation. So here we are finding the lower bound. So what lower bound is that it would be giving us the maximum element which is greater than or equal to that, and we are just adding the number of elements which are greater. So suppose the array was something 1 2 3 4 9 7 and x was 4. So what we can do is we can independently form teams of these elements. and this should be 17, let's suppose, because we are taking sorted. So after the lower bound, each of element can be found as an individual team. So that is what we are just doing here and counting these individual, and then we would be moving this side, forming the teams as possible. So we are just first taking the remaining, that means from this to this 1 comma 2 we are taking in the remaining array and then reversing it, since we have to move in this direction as we discussed. So after reversing we can easily move from 0 to the size. That is what was the main purpose of reversing the array. And then just we are checking that until which point the minimum element is the remaining element. Since we are moving from this side, the last element would be the minimum into the current size is greater than x. Then we are just incrementing the answer and then resetting the size to make this loop run again. So I will be attaching the link to the code in the description. You can check it out there also. So I hope everything was clear. If still anything is unclear, do let me know in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel, as we would be regularly posting competitive programming material from various live contests. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.